Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So it's been a little while. It is the new year. It is 2020. So happy new year to everyone. So I figured we'd start the year by doing a $1 coin roll hunt. I have been going through a few rolls this week and with some mixed success. But I figured it's been a while since we've done one, so we may as well get one going. So here's a U2000 coin, certainly well and truly worn, but it is not a mule. It's pretty hard coming by actually, the U2000 $1 coin. They don't come up very often, so it's always exciting to quickly check them out to see if or not you've got something special or not. So I do have a number of rolls we can try and get through in this video. So 2019 was a really good year for the channel, and I was having a look back because I was interested to see where we were when we started, say back in January of 2019, and I think we had around 250 subscribers, something like that, and obviously the channel wasn't getting the kind of views that it's getting these days, but we're over 7,700 subscribers, so which is enormous. So I just wanted to say thank you to all you guys who have subscribed. Yeah, makes me want to continue. Obviously, I enjoy it, and I never started doing this purely for the numbers. I purely did it just because I love the hobby and I love to share what I've learnt along the way. I'm certainly not I'm not the most knowledgeable on all coins, but it's certainly something I love and something I like to share with everyone. And I've enjoyed collecting coins with you guys. It's been fun, especially from the Facebook point of view. It's been good because I get to see exactly what you guys are up to and what you guys are looking for. Alright, let's have a chat about this coin. So this one here, you can just make out Elizabeth, yeah, if I hold it in the right spot. But it's certainly missing a lot of detail on that side there, and it is a 2005 coin. I've come across a few of these coins, and this is, well, I don't think it's a weak strike. I would probably class it as some sort of either die fill error, which I'm not even sure about that, but probably more so it's been struck through something. So say there was grease or something on the die or on the planchet, and some of the detail hasn't been able to come through. So I'll put this one aside, and I think we might weigh this one in a future video. So in the which video will we do that? In the next one we do for the Look What I Found, when I go through the weekly finds. And I've already found a few good ones, good keepers, which I'm looking forward to showing you guys and probably having a little discussion about, because I've got a really interesting coin that I actually put aside as a post-mint damaged coin, but I'm having second thoughts about it. It's very unique, but we'll talk about that more when we do that particular video. So I think that'll be episode 32. So yeah, back to this year. We've had so many comments come in, lots of questions, and that obviously made sense to open up the PJ's Coin Capers Facebook group, and we've got some great admins on the page who also contribute a lot of their time and effort and they contribute by allowing posts to go up and accepting new members, all the rest of it. So thank you to the three of you for contributing in that way, Helena, David and Richard. It's very much appreciated. And thanks to all you guys for contributing so regularly. You guys answer a lot of the questions that new people to the hobby probably struggle with the most, and I appreciate the fact that you guys, even though some of the questions may seem like very obvious questions and really obvious answers, you take the time to explain and go through and give back in a way back to those who are new to the hobby. So I really appreciate that, and thanks for keeping things clean. And I like it that it's in a family environment, that if there are children who are on their parents' account or those kind of things, or in the Facebook group, it's clean. You know, there's no harsh words going on or bad language and those kind of things. And to be honest, there probably has been a few events where things have gone wrong, and the admins or myself or some of you have pointed out certain things, and you know what our sort of our guidelines are, and I appreciate the fact that you guys point things out to us when things are going wrong, because we can't look at every single post constantly, and there's a lot of comments constantly on different photos, and sometimes things get a little bit heated, but I appreciate the feedback on the channel and on the Facebook group. So alright, well, we're not finding too much at this time, but let's keep going through. Haven't been finding heaps of the Australia Post coins actually either. I thought I'd be able to put together a set fairly quickly with the circulator coins, but I'm only finding one or two every now and then, so yeah. Anyway, I am trying to build a circulated set. It's more just for fun. It's actually not for the value of it. It's just for fun. I'm not finding any rabbit ears or anything like that. So it'll be interesting to see how this channel grows over the next year. I never would have thought it would have got to 7,500 subscribers by the end of the year. I was literally hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers. So to hit that target, yeah, I mean, I'd be really happy to get the channel up to 10,000 subscribers, or maybe a few more. That would be nice. Because I think it's great having so many new people coming into the hobby, and I think it's good for all of us that there's more people interested in the hobby. For two reasons. Look, to be honest, we all like to collect, and we like to collect coins that are because we like them, but there's also the financial side to it, and obviously if there's more people involved in the hobby, more opportunities to sell certain coins. I personally don't really sell anything at all, so I just like to keep and collect. One day I may, if I have too many of something, but to be honest, I'd rather give them away to you guys. So if I have the opportunity to give away stuff on the channel, I like doing that. So it's probably a goal of the year, is to have a few more giveaways throughout the year. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll certainly be doing that. So very small little rabbit ear. Hopefully you can see it there. I'm just going to get my little pointer out. This is probably one of the smallest little rabbit ears I've ever seen. You can see it right there, little cud. It's chipped away there and created that little cud on the back of the top root. And what year was this one? 2016. So a fairly common year for rabbit ears, but yeah, very small one on that one, but we'll keep that one. So an amazing amount of $1 mules has been found on the Facebook group this year, as well as the 1966 20-cent wavy. It's been a highlight, just absolutely, and jealousy. Seeing what you guys are finding, there's been some extraordinary finds. I think even someone found a 2007 double-headed 5-cent coin, which I think is probably the first one that has been shown on our page. There have also been some good other rotation errors, such as the Millennium 50-cent coin. I remember seeing one of those. But yeah, there's been some great stuff found, and I've really enjoyed watching and seeing what people are finding. It's been a great way to sort of share information about what we're finding and where. So this is another keeper for me. So there's a 2014 Mob of Ruse, so a low mintage coin, just 1 million of these in circulation. So that one goes in the keeper pile for today. It's 2004s. There's a lot of them that are off center. A lot of them about this far as well, so they're not worth anything more. Just seems to be a common thing with the 2004 coin. Alright, back onto another roll. Just did a bit of a clean up. Fairly nice high grade 84. Not great, but certainly in good nick for a coin that's been in circulation for 35, 36 years. Bit of a double rim there, but that's just because it's slightly off center. So I haven't found any of the IRB, sorry, not the IRB, the JC, Jody Clark $1 effigy coins as yet. Alright guys, I think we might wrap it up there. We haven't found too much. There's another U2000. And it's not a rabbit ear or a mule. We'll just finish off this roll. And that's the last one. So just the 3 finds today, which a quick little hunt is not too bad. So we found the little rabbit ear. That one there's probably the find of the day. Little rabbit ear on the 2016. Very tiny. And the 2014 Mob of Roos. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this quick little hunt, and we'll certainly have more of these coming about in the next few days. So I think we're going to do a 50-cent roll hunt next, if we find anything. But all the best for the next little week. I hope you enjoy your little holiday break if you're on holidays, and we'll soon have another video coming your way. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.